Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the dividend income projection formula for paying education costs. To begin with, the purpose of this model is to estimate how much dividend portfolio value may be needed to help cover education expenses. In this example, the target education cost is $1,000 per month. Since dividend income is usually calculated yearly, the first step is to convert the monthly cost into an annual target. So, $1,000 multiplied by 12 months equals $12,000 per year. Next, we use the core formula. The required portfolio is equal to the annual dividend income needed divided by the dividend yield. In this example, the annual dividend income needed is $12,000. Therefore, the required portfolio equals $12,000 divided by the expected dividend yield. This formula helps us understand how much money may need to be invested to generate the target education income. After that, it is important to understand the role of dividend yield. A lower dividend yield requires a larger portfolio, while a higher dividend yield requires a smaller portfolio. For example, at a 3% dividend yield, the portfolio needed is about $400,000. At a 4% yield, the portfolio needed is about $300,000. At a 5% yield, the portfolio needed is about $240,000. And at a 6% yield, the portfolio needed is about $200,000. Now, let's check the calculation using the monthly income formula. Monthly dividend income equals the portfolio value multiplied by the dividend yield, then divided by 12. So, if the portfolio is $300,000 and the dividend yield is 4%, the annual dividend income would be $12,000. Then, when we divide $12,000 by 12 months, the result is $1,000 per month. This matches the education cost goal in the example. Then, the growth target section shows how the portfolio can support education costs at different levels. A $50,000 portfolio can be a starting base. A $100,000 portfolio may provide partial support. A $200,000 portfolio can offer stronger support at a higher yield. A $300,000 portfolio may generate about $1,000 per month at a 4% yield. And a $400,000 portfolio may generate about $1,000 per month at a 3% yield. Moreover, there are several ways to improve the projection. Increasing monthly investments can help build the portfolio faster. Reinvesting dividends can also increase future income potential because the dividends buy more income-producing assets. In addition, focusing on quality dividend growers may help the income stream grow over time. Keeping fees and taxes low is also important, because costs can reduce the amount of money available for compounding. Most importantly, starting early and staying invested gives the portfolio more time to grow. As a result, this model can be useful for planning school fees, university costs, books, tuition, or other education-related expenses. Instead of only saving money separately, dividend investing can be used as a long-term income planning strategy. However, the key is consistency. The earlier the portfolio is built, the more time dividends and growth have to work together. So, the final takeaway is simple. To pay education costs with dividend income, first calculate the yearly cost. Then, divide that annual amount by the expected dividend yield. For example, if the education cost is $12,000 per year, then at a 4% yield, the target portfolio is about $300,000. Please remember that this is an educational illustration only. Dividend yields, returns, taxes, and investment results are not guaranteed. Actual results can change depending on market conditions, company performance, and investment choices. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.